Nigerians. Wait, like this una be. Okay, because everybody don't do this social media, even though you never dey up to 18 years. You go use time, they put years when not be your years for there, so that the policy of the social media go agree make you dey there. Una go dey misuse some kind of things for the internet. I no understand. Okay, which day for you when Junior Pope die? When he be say as he dey on top of boat, he got to tell the guy when they drive am say na only him mama born o, he get 3 children, na him go raise am, na him go raise them. Now, don't turn wetin the guy talk to sound. Are you guys kidding me? See, wait, more than just listen to the sound. It may not be like say they talk. More than listen to the sound, more than see what this person do. May wanna listen to the sound. See. Una don't go use it to do sound now. What if all these children, can't grow now? They can't go on social media. They can't see what their father talk before the man pass on. Haba now. Una know the reason now. What if the person when create the sound there? I be a member of Junior Pope family. I go sue this person. I go arrest this person because I don't see any reason why you go turn waiting person talk before he die. You go turn out to sound as what? For waiting. Now better thing. Everybody there in agony say the guy die quick because he get children when he supposed raise. Una don't even think about the boy family. Una don't think about his relative, anybody, nothing at all. Una just carry go do sound now. See, some of una they really misuse opportunity when they give una because everybody don't do social media. Nobody can know their mates. Una go there they do nonsense. Una go there they do waiting no concern una. What be this one now? Why you use that to do sound now? This person they need to find out. Yes, they need to look for this person.